All right, welcome to your deep dive, and today it's all about the white-tailed deer.
Yeah,
Specifically, the ones you see all over the place down there in Laredo.
right in your neck of the wood.
We got some really fascinating excerpts from pasted text, ready to really dive deep into these animals.
Yeah, these graceful creatures.
Yeah, they're so adaptable. Did you know they can be found all the way from, like, Canada down into South America?
Yeah, that's a pretty impressive range, you know?
Crazy.
Except there's a lot of ground.
So what's even more remarkable to me is, like, how they've carved out a place for themselves
Hmm.
in so many different types of habitats, like even the Tamaulipan thorn scrub down in South Texas.
Yeah, talk about a challenging environment.
That's tough.
It is.
Like, picture it. You're in the thorn scrub. You got mesquite trees, prickly pear cactus, like
Right.
dense shrubs everywhere.
Mm.
Then you see a deer darting through.
Yeah.
How big are we talking?
Well, if it's a buck, a male deer, you're looking at something that could easily weigh over 200 pounds.
Whoa.
The does, the females, tend to be a bit smaller,
Okay.
but still pretty robust.
Yeah, I never really thought about it, that there's such a size difference.
Yeah.
And of course, we got to talk about that signature whitetail.
Oh, yeah, I gotta have it.
That's not just for show, right?
Absolutely not. It's like a flashing neon sign to other deer.
Huh.
When they get startled, they raise their tails. That white goes up,
Oh, right.
and it's like a signal, an alarm
Oh,
that can like ripple through the entire herd.
that's cool.
It's just fascinating how they use that simple thing
Yeah.
to communicate danger.
So smart.
Yeah.
I'm always like completely captivated by those antlers on the bucks.
Hmm.
They just seem to change so much with the seasons.
Every year they go through this incredible cycle of
Yeah.
growing and shedding their antlers.
Wow.
And as they get older, the antlers get more and more elaborate.
Oh, really?
Yeah, imagine having to regrow like this complex bony structure
wild.
every single year.
It's a lot of work.
Talk about a biological feat.
Yeah, so back to these deer navigating that thorn scrub.
Yeah.
What are they eating down there? It's so dry.
Well, white-tailed deer are herbivores, so they're on that plant-based diet.
Sure.
But they've adapted to eat all kinds of different plants.
Oh, wow.
I mean, you got your mesquite beans, acorns when they can find them,
Mhm.
grasses, forbs, even prickly pear cactus.
Seriously?
Yeah, they find a way.
It's like they have like a built-in South Texas survival guide.
It really is. It's impressive.
So when the sun goes down, what's going on?
You know, it's almost like they have their own version of happy hour.
Really?
Yeah, they're most active at dawn and dusk.
Oh, okay.
We call that crepuscular.
Mhm.
It's cooler, then the light is softer.
Makes sense.
Maybe predators aren't as active.
Right.
Prime time for a peaceful meal.
Smart.
Yeah.
You mentioned predators.
Yes.
What are some of the things they have to watch out for?
Coyotes, bobcats, even the occasional mountain lion.
Whoa.
You also have habitat loss and, of course, collisions with vehicles.
Oh, right. I hadn't thought about that.
It's a big concern, in fact.
Yeah.
Researchers in South Texas have actually documented how some deer have adapted their behavior to avoid roads,
Oh, wow.
especially during those peak traffic hours.
Oh, that's incredible. To like adapt based on traffic.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Shows real resilience.
It does.
So with all those threats, though,
Hmm.
how are their populations doing overall?
You know, despite all these challenges, white-tailed deer are actually a managed species.
Okay.
Thanks to all the conservation efforts and hunting regulations, they're thriving in many areas,
Oh, wow.
including South Texas.
That's great.
It really speaks to their adaptability and the effectiveness of those management strategies.
It feels like their story kind of shows how everything is connected in an ecosystem.
Absolutely. I mean, they're a vital part of the food chain.
Right.
They influence plant diversity just by browsing, and they're a big part of the culture,
Yeah, especially down there.
especially in a region with such a long hunting tradition.
It's really been an eye-opening deep dive
Yeah.
into the world of the white-tailed deer.
They're fascinating animals.
So thank you for joining us.
Yeah, this has been fun.
It really leaves us with a fascinating question, though.
Oh.
How will these adaptable creatures continue to navigate the changes ahead,
That's a good question.
especially with the ongoing transformation of the South Texas landscape?
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the future holds for them.
Definitely something for us to all think about.
It is.
So keep exploring, keep learning. You never know what other discoveries await.
That's the fun part.
Yeah, thanks for listening.
Thanks, everyone.